How is everybody doing out there today? It's 12, let's just say 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on 8/29/2020. Currently, the market at 367 billion, with a Bitcoin at 11,527. And when you look at the little action that's been going on for the last 24 hours, it's been nice. ETH 394, and let's see, XRP, you're hanging at 27. You're going to be, this is one thing you got to think about what's going on right now. When you look at the interest rates and inflation, and also with inflation levels going up that they're allowing, and I'll get into that a little bit more. And then things that are happening just in the, around the world and everything else. You're looking at, in my opinion, just not in the long term, but more in the short term, a bump in the market. And is it a bull run? I wouldn't say like not like 2017, no. But is it going to be basically something that's going to make you happy? Yeah, I would say so. I think you're going to see that the Bitcoin itself is going to take off. Other coins are going to take off. And I'm not going to say that X, and X are going to do it, but I'll just say this: if you stock and keep the good ones in your bag, yeah, you have a very good chance of taking care of business. Do your own research, and let's see what happens. But let's get into some of the stuff. You've got, what is EAPL? If you saw my last video, you're talking about basically an easy way to get APL on Binance and other places, and that's going to be nice to have. A nice little twist. Best cryptocurrency investment of 2020, GSX. That one there, the stablecoin with the link down below. You can get free coins, and this here is a coin that goes up in value from reinvesting, gold reinvesting. Stablecoin doesn't go down in value, it goes up in value, and that's a rarity. And that is down below. Basically mined out of Zimbabwe, and the mine is in trust, which is nice. Winklevoss brothers say Bitcoin could reach 500K as the only long-term inflation hedge. I don't think it's going to go that big, but do I see a lot of investments coming in to the market because of inflation? Yes, I do. No doubt about that. Then you have 12 million gas fee was spent on Uniswap in August, with the most coming from USDT transfers. Dun, dun, dun. Uniswap's been doing good. FBI arrested Russian citizen from plotting a ransomware attack against Tesla. The United States Federal Bureau of Investigation has arrested one of the conspirators in a planned ransomware attack against the electric car maker Tesla. Russian, and I'm not going to get into that. But basically, I'm glad they got him. You've got the Cointelegraph Talks music panel starts at now, and watch here. On the Cointelegraph piece here, music and blockchain, it's good to see. Blockchain is so good, and that's one thing I was talking about, basically Tron. Tron had a very good chance to take it and go for it and have such a great entertainment blockchain. It still may get there, but it's just not doing it right now. Ripple I shouldn't say not doing it right now, but not doing it as big as what they could be doing. Ripple CEO Fed decision regarding interest rates to direct focus on crypto, or to crypto. Yes, because of, traditionally that's what happens. With inflation, you do get investments into crypto. Now, getting into some of the things for a lot of you who are here to see, updates on Apollo. And they released the tech document. It's not completed yet, but it shows you how intense it is. It really is. This piece has 159 pages to it, and it goes through 159 pages. It goes through and it goes through. Now, when you look at the stuff that's been done for the last 2 years and what they have, and then you look at what they're coming up with the basically the Apollo Steel. And that is quantum steel protection against attacks. The stuff you see at the bottom there. Decentralized application infrastructure, future project development, Apollo currency roadmap. All this stuff is here. It's been released on the main Telegram group. It'll be completed and released on the new ApolloCurrency.com website. So this one's here, and it is good. When you look down the list, and you see, and of course I'm making you dizzy, but I'm trying to get down to the illustrations and the stuff further on down the line. Anybody that's been watching my videos for the last 2.5 years on Apollo, 2.5 years, folks, knows of what they've done and where they're going. And that's another thing I want to say too. The Great Wall was not built in a day. It wasn't. So you have a lot of stuff that they're working on, and it's just going to be a rush to see what's coming out with the Knox Bank, quantum steel, and so much more. And let me just put this up for you because there's so much coming. I got to just do it for you. EAPL. This piece here. By the way, we are just about to launch Knox Bank, Steve's comment, which will be connected to Stratus, the new ecosystem. We are working to make it the same login. The thing you got to keep in mind is that the social echo will be on the aplfintech.com site, and you'll be able to, it's one login for basically all the platforms of the full functionality of YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, etc. And with the connection of Knox Bank to it, by tying in that one login to Knox Bank, you see where they're going? Everything so convenient, just on one platform that they have, on the aplfintech.com, Stratus, the social echo, and that gives you the one login across the board. No data sold. The dominant coin network, Apollo. The world's going to know soon because, why? They're putting it all together. Watch this real quick. Okay, so you've got that, which is nice to see all those things that are coming in the short term. In the next, like I said in my last video, in the next 2 weeks to 3 weeks, you're going to see so much happen, and things that they haven't even talked about are going to come out. I have the NDA with Apollo, so I know of a few things that they're working on, and you haven't heard about them. And it's going to be basically astounding what you hear coming. So everything is happening, and remember this. ApolloFintech.com is where everything is going. The link to the GSX CD is there, but that won't give you the extra 5%. Down in the description is the link to give you the extra 5% free coins on top of the 50% that they give you. So that one's a big bomb of a place to go. And the social echo will be here for you to take care of business. And remember this, on the United Allied States update, the visas for Steve and others, the team, to go over and take care of business with the first state is going to be processed. Johannesburg office is working on taking care of everything, and they expect to have it finished and taken care of this coming week. So with this coming week, if everything works out perfectly, they are on their way to sign the treaty with the first country, and that country's president will announce this deal with the United Allied States. So the President of the United Allied States, Steve McCullough, traveling to the first country to sign the treaty, the first state of the United Allied States, world history. It's coming, and that's what you got to look at. The next weeks are going to be totally exciting, and there's no doubt it's going to be real and in your face. It's going to be a rush. Later, guys.